Hi, Trev from Coil Tech here. Just thought I'd do another short video on a question that we've had come up. One of our staff members here was really keen on looking at getting into detecting or checking things out, and so they asked the question, can a gold coil find treasure? The short answer is yes. Essentially, we're working with a metal detector, so as long as the item or the target that's in the ground is metal, these metal detectors can respond to that. Obviously, the target needs to be within the range of the detector's capabilities and the coil's capabilities. But if you're looking for treasure like rings, jewellery, coins, old artifacts, as long as they're metal, a gold coil can find them. Primarily, gold coils are used on the Minelab GP GPX series or the White's TDI series. So we do have quite a few treasure hunters that use these detectors with a Coil Tech coil in the US and through the Middle East as well, and they have great success. What they don't have with the gold coil is a very good discriminator, which means the ability to say whether that is iron or silver or copper or different types of metals in the ground. There is a discriminator of some type, which is an iron discriminator on the GPX series, which will blank out targets like nails and bits of old tin and rusty metal, as long as it's within the top foot or two of the surface. But essentially, yeah, these units, the GPX series, are quite powerful for treasure hunting, coupled with maybe some of our double D coils or anti-interference coils that can work really well in built-up areas. If you want to use a monocoil, a large monocoil, that's perfectly fine too, but just be prepared to dig every target and some deep holes as well. On the other side of that, can a treasure coil find gold? Again, the short answer is yes, because again, it's a metal detector. Most people will use gold detectors for gold hunting and treasure detectors for treasure hunting, mainly because the treasure hunters have a better discrimination ability, which means that they can determine what's in the ground a lot clearer for the user. So you get some numbers or some representation on the screen of the detector to tell you what that target is in the ground, and also depth indicators. You can use treasure detectors and treasure coils in gold-bearing regions. The trouble with that can be mineralization. When you get into these areas, you get a lot of mineralization in the ground conditions, which means these detectors are a little bit less able to balance out that mineralization like the gold hunting machines. So you get a lot more noise, a lot more interference from the ground conditions. So certainly recommend, gold machines for gold areas, treasure hunting for treasure hunting areas. But if you are after deep treasure, larger cache hunting type of detecting, then the GPX series, even the White's TDI series, can handle the ground and with the larger coils, and they have a lot more power behind them as well for deeper searching. So hopefully that answers some of your questions out there. It also answers a lot of questions for the other side, for the coin and treasure hunting, if you're wondering whether you can take that machine and coil into the gold conditions. Hopefully that gives you some information there. Ultimately, if you've got any other questions at all, hit us up through our website or our Facebook page as well. We're always keen to shoot little videos or answer your questions and just help the community out. Basically, this is our lifeblood, and you are our great customers out there, and we certainly do appreciate your support. So keep them coming in, and we'll keep answering them out there for you. So have a great day. Thank you.